We got a snatch strap kit from Indust, and let's open this up, see what it comes with, see what we got. It's got the user guide. We'll probably just chuck this. I don't think we need that. It's got this 3-inch bright orange snatch strap. Oh, and there's the specs for you. So it's got a 35,000 pound braking strength, 20 feet in length, 3 inches wide. You can see it's this bright yellow, so it's highly visible. It's got these wear pads on it to prevent excessive wear. It's got double loops. It comes with this nice little strap to keep it put together. It's got two heavy duty, real nice 3/4 inch shackles that are gonna make this easy to use, and it's real nice. Then it comes with a real nice carrying case. Heavy duty nylon. Oh man, that's a really nice case. Really heavy duty. Bright yellow Indust logo. And this is, it's like a nylon on the outside and kind of like a rubber waterproof inside. Let's see how everything fits here. And then I guess my shackles go in here, huh? Yeah. I'm guessing this is shackle storage. I've never had a tow strap that came with a carrying case, so we're figuring this out together. Well, that's a real nice little package. The the shackles in there, the snatch strap and everything's in there. It's a real nice case. So I got stuck here in the slippery snow, had to bust out the Indust tow strap. Thank goodness it comes with two of these D-ring shackles that have some high abrasion rubber detachable isolators, and they're really capable of towing up to 10,000 pounds with a minimum braking strength of about 41,000 pounds. And the tow strap has a 7% stretch, which really helps in situations like this. It increases the durability and the strength. The braking strength is up to 35,000 pounds. So between that and the shackles, it makes easy work of recoveries. All right, we made back from the trail. We were able to use the Indust snatch strap kit about 4 times on the trail today. You can see the kit, we used it well today. It's got some mud on it and stuff. I'll probably spray it off just to keep it clean a little bit, but let's open this up. I really do like the convenient mounting locations for the shackles. I think they fit really well right there. You see they kept pretty clean inside the case here. And then the actual strap, it stayed really clean, especially in the case. The protective sleeves right here kept it from wearing down. The eye hooks worked really well to make it easily attached to the shackles. It does have, it's not a recovery strap, so it doesn't stretch, but it does have about a 7% stretch to kind of absorb the shock a little bit. And you could tell using that today, it worked really, really well. And the high-vis yellow color made it easy to see when we're rolling it out. You could see it in the snow really easily. And then through the windows, through the mirrors, when we're pulling each other out, it was really easy to see the high-vis yellow. Overall, I'm definitely gonna add this to my Scouts recovery pack. I'm gonna probably just leave it in the Scout all the time in this little case. It fits really well, it's nice and compact, and I overall really happy with it.